Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing this sensor right here. It's right on the side of the throttle, right here. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. This is a 1997 Ford Aspire. To be great. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Let's remove this part. Right back at you. Alright, got some bits, power tool, and some much needed gloves. I'm gonna have to disconnect that first, but let's get okay, we settled on the 8mm socket with the ratchet, and that is doing the job. Those little screw bolts they're a pain, but that's it right there. And you just got to take off two of them, and then here is the get my gloves on. There's ants. My previous video, there's a whole bunch of ants within the door, electrical. Alright, bringing out even more tools. 1/4 inch drive. So 8mm 1/4 inch drive ratchet can get inside that little clearance space, because this wasn't fitting inside there. Well, that wasn't doing it. So this able to loosen that. So get that loosened, and then I used a pair of pliers to loosen this electrical connection, just to loosen it a little bit, because you have to push in this part and then pull it out. That disconnects electrical, and just gotta take that last bolt off, and it should come right off. You got that loosened, time to take it off there. There we go. There goes the bolt. I have to go fish that out later. Alright, there's the sensor. There's the bottom side of it. And there that is. So, I gotta fish that out, and I'm gonna install it. Installation is a reversal of removal. Just put it on there, bolt it up, and pop that electrical connection back in. You are good to go. Since that part is way down, probably on the ground somewhere or within the engine bay, just installation is reversal removal. You just put the new one on, bolt it up, and put this back on there. Boom, installed. So that's how you do that. And you might have some other intake and stuff in the way. Just take it off, and you know, to be safe, be on the safe side, disconnect your negative electrical lead going to your battery. Just disconnect that if you want to feel safer. But this is a Ford Aspire. It's a 97, and I make these videos for you guys because it's just an all-around good time for YouTube to make these videos, because it's really fun, because you guys watch them, and hopefully you like them. Give it a like, give it a dislike, comment, whatever. Subscribe, unsubscribe, do whatever you want. This is a Ford Aspire, and soccer balls down there. A little solar panel right here. It's got a little fan on it. Not much light going on today, so it's not working. But anyway, so have your 1/4 inch drive sets, your wrenches, your 3/8 inch drive ratchets, and half inch drives are for the I don't have that right here, but it's inside. It's for the really hard fasteners. Pair of pliers. Mechanics, the professionals hate them, but do-it-yourselfers and real human beings, they love pliers. We use pliers all the time, but that's how you do it. Save money, do it yourself, Have a great and wonderful day. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. Have a great day.